Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ADIDAS Harden Vol.5. Before we get into the review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some thumbs up, we want to see those likes, and shower us with some comments. We will try our best to always reply to every single comment thrown out our way. Let's get into the review. So today we've got a look at the ADIDAS Vol.5 FUTURENATURal, and we've got this in the core black colorway, and we've got them in the US size 8, it's a UK 7.5, and it's a European 41 1/3. And it's the first sneaker review that we've done of James Harden. So for those that don't know, he's known as the Beard. He recently joins the Brooklyn Nets to form a super team with Kyrie Irving and Kevin Durant, who are notoriously ball huggers as well. So we'll see how this season plays out for that Brooklyn Nets team. There's going to be a lot of scoring, and we don't know who's going to play the hero ball there. First off the bat, we'll look at the box, and if you look at the box, you're going to see a lot of patterning here, which reflects on the upper of the shoe. And unfortunately, this box came to us in this state, which sucks. So ADIDAS, do better packaging. And here it is in all its glory. Very, very colourful. We thought we'd do it in the black colourway because James just joined the Brooklyn Nets. So yeah, and as an avid 90s basketball fan myself, I prefer it when players wear their team colours when it comes to their sneakers. So, I mean, a couple of weeks ago, we would have looked for the red version. So we start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole with a boost colouring or blocking, word blocking, there we go. And it says inside as well to just highlight that there's ADIDAS boost technology in this sneaker. Now, what I love about this is that it's an all rubber traction. I'm not sure if it's going to be amazing. It reminds me of an ADIDAS Yeezy traction, but it's all encompassing. There's no like little windows where you can see boost, and that just kind of reflects the kind of game that James Harden plays. He's very multi-directional, and he's always trying to beat his defender with a flurry of moves, which incorporates a lot of his footwork. If you go along onto the midsole, so you can't see it, but it is a boost midsole inside, and it's surrounded with this all rubber environment, as you want to call it. And what's annoying is that it kind of meets with this plastic where it forms the upper of the sneaker. Now, what I imagined this sneaker was to be silhouetted is that when I came to think about the Yeezy basketball sneaker, I thought it would come in a silhouette like this, not the ADIDAS Quantum basketball sneaker that you've seen that has been released, and some players have worn those. But I thought they were going to be like in this kind of silhouette, very 350-esque, if that makes sense. These sneakers remind me of an ADIDAS Boost 350. I'm just really confused because there's a lot of plastic here. It's not as soft as I thought it would be. And yeah, it's quite rigid. Not what I kind of like in a basketball sneaker. We've done the Kyrie that incorporated some fly knit, and there was some knit involved, but this, like the upper is all plastic, if that makes any sense to you guys, because I want to say that the upper's ripstop, but it's not. It's kind of a hard plastic, and what surrounds it are very fake nubuck suede on some aspects of the sneaker. So here on this off-white splat, and at the midsole, mid-heel unit here as well. But it's a lot of plastic that has been heated and pressed on. If you look at the lace, it's a normal lace enclosure surrounded with this, again, it's not nubuck or anything, it's synthetics that surround the lacing, and you can find it here on the tongue as well, where you've got James Harden's signature. It's very padded as well. But the whole sneaker is a booty system essentially that's surrounded with these plastic overlays that I'm not really a big fan of, but if you look inside, it's very nicely padded. So around the heel unit, you've got these 4 cushions for your Achilles, and you got it obviously here, you've got the 2 pull-on tabs are there. Now if you look inside the inner, so in the insole you got the boost, and what this has also is light strike. So this is Adidas's cushioning system for the inside of your feet, and it's quite rigid. I wanted to take it out, but I feel like I was gonna rip it out, so I didn't want it. But if you look inside, there is boost that's lined there as well. So I'm gonna give this the benefit of the doubt before I try these sneakers on. I'm coming in with the intentions that these are gonna be quite cushiony because of the boost technology that's incorporated here, but because of the whole plastic system, I'm not gonna feel very fluid in my movement because I'm gonna feel like it's enclosed in this plastic prison. With all that said, I can't wait to try these on. We're gonna roll that footage in a second, but I totally forgot to mention that there's a digital print of it saying it's James Harden's Volume 5. Obviously this is the 5th iteration of James Harden's Adidas line. So roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. Guys, just as I predicted that about the upper, it does feel very stiff and rigid. I'm not sure how James plays in these. I'm not a big fan, I'm gonna be honest. I feel like a lot of my heel is coming up as I step, and it's very cushiony, don't get me wrong. I can feel the boost that's in here. Very bouncy, he's giving me that step, so it helps James Harden with those Euro steps, I guess. But yeah, I'm not a big fan. I'd love to try it on the Dame 6s or whatever. But when it comes to these Adidas, I probably won't take these on court. When it comes to the fit, guys, try and get half a size down. These are half a size down, so I am a size UK 8. These are UK 7.5. I feel like if I got the size 8, it would be a bit too spacious. I mean, if I was to get a half size down more, if I was to get a UK size 7, I feel like my heel would be fine, but it's just gonna be proper snuggling my feet. Before I round it off, guys, if you're a big James Harden fan, get it to add to your collection, I guess. I'm not going to try these on court, unfortunately. I feel like it is just going to ruin my feet. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of blisters, really. But that's just me. So thanks, guys, for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. And until next time, peace.